Prepare to take your game to the next level. We're taking a look into the future with the top 5 gaming PCs of 2024 in today's video. With their state-of-the-art processors and astounding graphics, these setups represent the pinnacle of gaming performance. As we reveal the titans that will rule the gaming world this year, stay tuned. Don't pass up the best gaming setups. Together, let's discover 2024's finest features. Number 5. With its small size and powerful performance, the ASUS 2023 ROG G22CH DB978 gaming desktop PC is a great choice for both business and gaming applications. It is perfect for confined locations due to its compact form factor, which is just 4.53-inch wide and 11.3 height, without sacrificing hardware capabilities. With its powerful Intel Core i9-13900KF processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, the G22 delivers a fluid Windows 11 gaming experience. The G22's sleek, contemporary style, which includes subdued RGB lighting, makes it easy to integrate into any environment. Upgrades to components are made easier by the simple access design, giving users a hassle-free experience. Furthermore, the gaming experience is improved with Dolby Atmos audio compatibility, and clear communication is guaranteed by two-way AI noise cancellation technology. This ASUS gaming desktop, equipped with a 1TB SSD Gen 4 and 32GB DDR5 RAM, is a stylish and potent option for individuals looking for excellent performance in a small form factor. Number 4. A fantastic addition to any gamer's collection, the ASUS Stratos Aqua gaming PC offers state-of-the-art capabilities for an unmatched gaming experience. This system offers AI-powered performance that is revolutionary, thanks to its powerful GeForce RTX 4070 Ti GPU with DLSS 3 support, Core i7-13700KF processor with Turbo Boost Max up to 5.4 GHz, and Windows 11 Home operating system. While the 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD offers blazing fast storage, the 32GB DDR5 6000 MHz RAM guarantees smooth multitasking. The elegant look of the Stratos Aqua is complemented by the flashy addition of the RGB AIO 240mm CPU cooler. This gaming PC boasts a powerful 750W gold PSU with AB760p Wi-Fi motherboard, making it both future-proof and powerful. The ASUS Stratos Aqua distinguishes out above other high-performance gaming rigs due to its striking design and remarkable specs. Number 3. Lenovo's Legion Tower 7i Gen 8 gaming desktop is a gaming experience redefined, an ultimate powerhouse. With its 13th generation Intel Core processors and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics cards, it offers the best possible performance and realistic visuals. With 260W of liquid cooling or 190W of air cooling, the cooling system guarantees peak performance without overheating, which makes it perfect for long gaming sessions. It adds style to any gaming setup with its sleek design, storm gray chassis, 3D mesh front bezel, and clear glass panel showcasing ARGB fans. Rapid response times are offered by the 5200 MHz DDR5 memory and quick load times by the high-capacity PCIe Gen 4 SSDs. This gaming desktop is equipped with fast Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6E, and USB-C connections, providing a wide range of connectivity options to meet any kind of gaming or content creation need. Lenovo Vantage uses AI performance tweaking and configurable settings to improve gameplay. All things considered, the Legion Tower 7i Gen 8 offers an excellent gaming option by fusing extreme performance with superb design. Number 2. With its cutting-edge features, the Alienware Aurora R16 Desktop 2023 is a powerful gaming and multimedia machine. Its Intel Core i7-13700F processor, which has turbo boost up to 5.2 GHz, powers it through demanding activities with ease, making gaming and content creation a smooth experience. With 12GB of dedicated GDDR6 memory, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card offers vivid graphics and fluid gameplay, bolstered by cutting-edge ray tracing and AI features. With up to 64GB DDR5 RAM for multitasking and a roomy 4TB SSD for plenty of storage, the desktop's versatility is clear. The extensive range of USB ports, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi 6E make connectivity a snap. The Legend 3 design optimizes the desktop for any gaming setup while adding a touch of elegant minimalism. The Alienware Aurora R16 is a great option for both gamers and content makers because of its impressive performance, gorgeous graphics, and well-thought-out design. Number 1. The Y60BI9N4701 variant of the iBuyPower Pro Y60 Gaming PC is an excellent desktop that skillfully combines power and style. This gaming system guarantees top-notch performance thanks to its powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card with 12GB VRAM and Intel Core i9-13900KF processor, which runs at 3.0 GHz. A flawless gaming experience and fluid multitasking are made possible by the 32GB 5200 MHz DDR5 RAM, while quick and efficient storage is offered by the 1TB NVMe SSD. With 6 USB 3.1 ports, RJ45 network Ethernet, and inbuilt audio, connectivity is a breeze. The desktop's aesthetic appeal is improved by the unique add-ons, which include a tempered glass RGB gaming enclosure and a complimentary iBuyPower gaming keyboard and RGB gaming mouse. Users benefit from a streamlined and effective system because Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed and there is no bloatware. Constructed in the United States of America, the iBuyPower Pro Y60 is a dependable and fashionable option for daily usage, gaming, and business applications. It comes with a 1-year warranty and free lifetime tech support in the United States.